Previously on round 4 of Battle of the Burgers, we saw some of the UAE's best cooks working their magic touches to earn the judges' top scores for a chance to compete in the World Food Championship in Dallas, Texas. And today, we move on to round 5 and the competition is becoming ever more fierce. You're watching Cucina del Sul's Battle of the Burgers.
Session number five in Cucina.
Battle of the Burgers.
Battle of the Burgers, thank you. 2022, and the winner is going to Dallas, and you guys already know that.
And we're going with him. And we have an awesome panel of judges, which you will meet in a bit. But yeah, I mean, the standards are like there, right?
Yeah.
First up on the grill is Big Daddy Smash with Nadim Samara.
My name is Nadim Samara. I work in advertising and media. I've been cooking for almost all my life. My expectations of the battle is basically meeting lots of people. I'm here to have fun. If people like my food, great. If not, I'll continue eating it. That's about it.
Who's up next?
Sultan is up next, and he's doing the bull burger. We can't wait to try.
My name is Sultan Chatila from Tanza 8, an underground dining experience in Dubai. It's a husband and wife supper club, so very excited to try something new, a special blend. Looking forward to it. Very excited to be here.
Contestant number 3, Iman, is cooking for us.
The Roman burger.
My name is Iman. I'm from Iran. I'm a petrochemical commodities trader, so nothing to do with cooking, but cooking is one of my passions, and I'm very excited to participate in this competition. Burger is definitely my favorite food, so I'm going for the win.
Contestant number 4, Dr. Tariq.
Hi, I'm Tariq Gurg. I'm a foodie. I love food. I started cooking actually during the lockdown. I never had a cook. I converted one of my children nannies to become a cook. I gave her the recipe, my wife gave her the recipe. But at the end, me and her, we were tag teaming and we became close in cooking, and one of the best dishes that we do are burgers.
And now it's time to start with 10 minutes on the clock for each of the cooks. Just enough time to put their best burger together. Starting with Nadim and the Big Daddy Smash.
Big Daddy is... I'm on a diet now, so that's the Big Daddy.
We are squashing.
Hello,
Big Daddy Smash.
Hello, sahla.
So why is it called the Big Daddy Smash?
It's called the Big Daddy Smash because you can obviously see from my size. I like lots of food, and I'm a father of 3, so I mainly cook for them. And it's a smash. That's about it. Yeah, definitely. My meat is half chuck, half brisket. I keep it a bit to get a bit of a sizzle on the center. Double patty. So that's 12, 4, 6.
And next up is Sultan with the Bull Burger. Let's check in on what Sultan is up to.
It's a bull burger. It's a customized burger milk bun from a boutique bakery in town. I tried different buns myself, but I ended up going for this one because it works perfectly. I'm going for a burger that I would order myself, which is simple ingredients, but special cut of meat, caramelized onions, and then the sauce, which gives that little bit of tanginess, salt, acid, fat, and heat, obviously.
And next up is Iman with the Roman Burger.
What do you have for us today?
I have a 150 gram, 80-20 provolone. I think it has a nice subtle flavor. Truffle mayo, Dijon mustard, hot sauce, pickles.
So you added the truffle mayo is ready?
No,
Ready-made?
it's ready-made, yeah.
It's ready-made, okay.
A Roman burger, yeah.
And last but not least is Dr. Tariq with the mostly
My patties
lonely
are
burger.
Japanese Wagyu, 80-20. And now we do more butter for the patties. I like them breaking up. Basic Kraft cheese, American from the supermarket.
As the cooks put together their final touches, let's take a quick look at the judging panel and get to know them a little better.
Hi there, I'm Stasha from 21 Grand Urban Balkan Bistro.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Nikki and I am a restaurateur in Dubai for the last 18 odd years.
Hey, Mohammed Al-Fali from Al-Fali Boss.
Hi guys, my name is Hassan Makar. I'm here at Cucina del Sul.
My name is Diego. I'm from Mexico City. I'm executive chef of Sofitel de Pam.
And time's up for the cooks. And it's now time to face the judges, starting with Nadim and the Big Daddy Smash.
I felt it's missing a bit of acidity.
Very good burger. Very good burger. It's a smash style. I like the way that it's presented. It's clean. It's easy to handle it. The ratio between the meat and the bun, it was perfect.
First time in a competition. Less stressful than cooking for my kids. So it was pretty fun.
It's now time for Sultan to bring forward the bull burger.
I love the thought behind it. I really like it. I think it's like well thought recipe and idea of burger.
I really like that he thought outside of the box for the oxtail. It needed some texture. Everything was soft. Everything. The burger was soft, the bun was soft, the toppings were soft. So there's no contrast there. You can't tell what's what.
I think I got some positive vibes. The competition is strong as well, and we'll see what happens. Just excited to be here and having fun. So.
And it's now time for Iman to present the Roman burger.
It misses maybe a piece of pickle. The caramelized onion is over sweet.
It's missing a bit of touch. Can be a bit of pickles. Can be a bit of cherry vinegar to add maybe in the onion to get a bit more explosion of flavor.
I think I delivered what I wanted to, and yeah, I hope the judges like it.
And last but not least, none other than Dr. Tariq with the Mostly Lonely.
It's missing a bit of thickness. For me, it was over spicy.
I really liked it. It was different than the other burgers. It felt like a cheesesteak. The peppers, the jalapenos, the onions.
Well, you know, with judges, you never get an immediate answer, even with good vibes or non-good vibes. But they did ask me questions on what did I use in the ingredients, and I was happy to deliver, and I think I did deliver as per their expectations.
And finally, the judges' scores are in. Let's find out who's one step closer to the World Food Championship in Dallas, Texas.
Guys, you ready for this? Scores at session number 5, right over here. I've seen them, and gotta tell you, not a lot of surprises. Okay, ready? And here we go. Number 1 score goes to Thanos for the bull burger.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. It's been so much fun. Great experience. But I didn't come for the result. I came for being part of this community and this experience.
Woo. Session number 5.
Done.
Dusted. 20 burgers down. 20 burgers.
In 2 weeks, can you believe?
Yes, we've had 20 of Dubai's best homemade burgers.
And today's set was incredible.
One lucky burger maker is going to go and represent Dubai in the World Food Championship in Dallas, Texas. And we are going with him, of course.
If he gets his visa.
Or her, right? Him or her?
Him or her.
Can you stop talking about my visa?
He's upset because he doesn't have his visa.
I'm going.
I have my visa. Woo! Stay tuned
for the next episode. Number 6.
Yeah.
Number 6.
Another 4 contestants, another 4 amazing burgers.
And wait till you see the judges on the next one.
Yep.
Right? That's always a surprise. The judges are always a surprise.